Gina from WTI. I started baking bread a few months ago and I've become obsessed with it. But I realized I didn't have all the tools that I needed to make even a slightly decent loaf of bread. I'm so grateful that I have this JULKYA bread making kit. It comes with everything that you need. Having the dough whisk is so nice because then I don't have to get my hands in the dough and get them all sticky and messy. One of the things I really struggled with before I got the kit was shaping the dough on my counter. I didn't have a dough scraper, and so it was just really sticky and it was really hard for me to move the dough around. It's been so helpful to have the proofing baskets. I can see that it's made a total difference when I put my dough in the fridge in order to proof overnight. It has cloth covers for the rattan baskets, a bread bag, stencils if you want to decorate your loaf, the lame razor blade so that you can score the dough correctly and quickly. It has two types of scraper, the dough scraper and a bowl scraper. And I'm a messy cook, so I get flour and dough everywhere and it sticks to my counter. And so having the mat there just helps keep everything nice and neat and tidy. Now, I am still a beginner, definitely a novice when it comes to baking sourdough bread, so don't blame the tools with how pathetic my loaf is looking. I can see that my bread making skills have improved since I got this kit. I'm going to keep working at it. If you are a novice or an advanced baker, you definitely need this kit from JULKYA. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.